Hey guys, it's Hi5 Trainer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Maggi Masala. So let's go into the video. The ingredients that you need are 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Mixed vegetables, I'm using frozen mixed vegetables. You can use fresh ones if you want to. These mixed vegetables contain corn, capsicum, green peas, and carrots. 1 large tomato, cut it to small pieces like this. 1 medium-sized onion, cut it to small pieces like this. 1 medium-sized potato, cut it to small pieces like this. I'm using 4 curry flavored Maggi packets. You can use any brand or any flavor that is available to you. And oil. So firstly, you need to let a pan heat up on high flame and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Because I'm using coconut oil, I'm spreading it so that it can melt. You can use any oil that's available to you. So after the oil heats up, you need to add the onions. So you need to fry the onions on medium to low flame. While the onions are frying, you need to add the salt, and turmeric, After the onions are fried, you need to add the tomatoes, and put a lid on the pan. So as the tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to sieve my potatoes and keep them aside. So it's been a minute and I'm going to check my tomatoes. And add the potatoes in them. Now I'm going to put a lid on it. So as the tomatoes and potatoes are cooking, I'm going to separate my Maggi from the masala packet. So after a minute or two, you need to check your potatoes and tomatoes and add the mixed vegetables. And I'm going to put a lid on it. Now take off the lid and add the coriander powder, cumin powder, and red chilli powder, and put a lid on it. So as the mixed vegetables are cooking, I'm going to wash my Maggi. And open the masala packets. Then you have to take the lid off and add the masala. And mix it thoroughly. Then you have to put a lid on it. Now you have to take the lid off. And add about 4 cups of water. Then you have to let the water boil on high flame. After the water is boiling, you need to add the Maggi. If you push the Maggi in like this, it's going to cook much faster. So you need to break up the Maggi. And you need to put a lid on it. And let it cook. So this is how the Maggi should look after it's properly cooked. Tasty Maggi is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to get notified whenever I upload another video.